I've been streaming for X months, I have so many followers, and I average X number of viewers. Should I keep streaming or should I quit? This is a question that you're going to see in common things. When I told my chat that I was going to be asking this, they're like, oh, this is a Reddit question, right? Oh, this is a Quora question, right? Oh, this is something that gets posted to X Discord, right? This is something that gets posted a lot. And it makes sense. I feel like I say that phrase a lot. It makes sense. It makes sense. People want to evaluate their progress. People want to know if they should continue doing what they are doing, if it is worth investing more time and energy and potentially money into this hobby, into this venture. So that's good. My issue with it, the first thing, okay. I think it is good that people are asking questions. I think it is good for people to be evaluating their progress and seeking information from other people. But this is a bad question. The problem with this question is that while you have provided data, you have not provided really the data that will allow anybody to make an actual sort of answer for you. I have streamed 24 months and have 600 followers and average 5 viewers. Should I quit? I don't know. Like, all I can do with that is say, well, if you had X, then you could, therefore, yes, no. Literally, that's about the best you can do. It's, let me compare the data to other people and tell you if you're doing better or worse, or if you are on a track. But that doesn't really help you. So here's the things. You should be explaining what you are doing, because that really should answer, should I quit? I've been streaming 24 months. I have 600 followers and average 5 viewers. But I run a hobby stream, and those average 5 viewers are my friends, and I enjoy my time on Twitch. No, you shouldn't quit. You should treat this as a hobby and a way to hang out with friends and just have fun with friends. Don't take it seriously. Don't worry about any of the other things that people out there are talking about. Don't worry about growth. Don't worry about those things. Don't quit. Have fun with your friends. There you go. You're good. No, you shouldn't quit because you provided me context to make the evaluation in. I've been streaming 24 months. I have 600 followers and average 5 viewers. I want to quit my job and stream full time. Should I do this, or should I quit streaming and do something else? There we go. We've got a much fuller question, and you've given me context on what you would do if I answer yes or no. Like I just typed up here, adding extra information into this and fleshing out the question will really let us answer this for you. What is your goal? What is your intention? What is your reason for streaming? That will let us know if this is good. Additionally, you should also be able to tell us, like, what are you able to do and what would you do otherwise? What are you able to do to change things? Because if you don't like these numbers and you have a goal in mind, are you able to do something that is going to radically change things? Or are you open to this? If so, then that is going to change my answer. Then I have this, should I quit? Are you willing to make any changes? Or do you have the means to make any changes? No. Well, that gives me a much greater context in which to answer your question. Similarly, what would I do otherwise? Is it literally, should I do something that I am enjoying and giving me happiness, or should I quit and sit in a dark room for 6 hours every night? Well, that also gives me something very different. Are you weighing quitting? Is it literally just stay or go? Or is it, should I continue doing this or should I pursue something else? Because that's also something very different and would allow me different context to do this. So this is all preamble to me saying, and ask the question a little bit differently. Add more details into it, because that lets anybody who wants to help you, and a lot of people out there want to help you when you ask this question. This lets people answer the question for you a lot better and tailor it to you. Because with the numbers that I see here, the 24 months, the 600 followers, the 5 average viewers, I should tell you, yes, you should quit. But I don't know what your goal is, because I'm just going to substitute in my own goal and say, well, this looks bad according to my own goals, so you should quit. Or I'd substitute my own alternate thing in there and say, no, you shouldn't quit. You are doing great. You are looking better compared to me, so keep on trucking on. I can't really help you without context. If this video makes you look into wanting to grow and succeed, well, check out some of the other videos in this channel. I have an eclectic mix of different thoughts and strategies and things that you can do, and seek out other people. And feel free to message me or pop by one of my streams. We can discuss ways of getting you to succeed in the way that you want. All right, guys, my name's Aaron, aka Feldy. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the next video.